Welcome everyone. Today we're going to go into the back office of WorldProfit. Um, this is the silver membership back office. So you can sign up for a free associate membership. Um, a lot of these bars up here will have some things in, but you get more as you upgrade to the silver membership. But today we're just going to go into this one, which would be ad tracking. Um, let's get yourself a There we go. You got a little, okay, and within the ad tracking, you can take a URL and you can cloak it, and it would actually show up within here. So to cloak it, you would go into website management, cloak a URL. Here you would give the URL a name. Then you would go ahead and put the, let's say you have an affiliate URL, you wanted to cloak it and track it through WorldProfit. You would put it in here, go ahead and generate it, and then it would show up. Let's say this is your URL for your affiliate program. This would be your new URL. And then what it would do is, and this would have been the name that you gave it so that you know where it is. These ones here are just different ones. And then you would use this one as your the one you would promote. And when you do that, you'd go back here to the training and then to ad tracker. And then this would actually show wherever you put it. Let's say you put it in Hungry for Hits, then it would show up there, and that would be the page that the name you gave it. That way you could track your hits. Um, as I said, I'll leave a link in the description. You can go ahead and sign up for a free membership. You can come in and look over everything. They give you a lot of bonuses when you do sign up as a free member. Um, and you can take a look at it and come on in here and sign in with your affiliate ID, and then go ahead and check it all out. You may want to upgrade. Um, so, well, that's it for the this training part, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.